Reason why people that resign are not talking because they are afraid of her followers, the mob, unreasonable fool, okay? Unreasonable foul-mouthed attack dog who hurry insult instead of engaging with truth. Obinna Uzoagan, you are hereby invited on my platform. I'm welcoming you. Forget about everything I said now. Okay, hold back. Let me display my number on the screen. I want you to copy this number, Obinna Uzoagan. Contact me. I want to host you. I want you to use my platform to expose everything. No matter dog will join. In fact, I will block my comment section if you want. So you cannot use my. In fact, you know what? I'm not even live. We're gonna record it off air, and our publisher background will not see. Your choice. Just make a choice. So don't hate that anything. If you want me to even call other media to team up and air it without even attacking you or commenting, just expose everything. Call those ones. In fact, if you want, you guys maybe contact the member that maybe you can give you one of the AI. So maybe if you don't want your voice to be noticed, okay, you tell the member that to use AI and publish it on his own platform, because my platform I cannot publish you exposing somebody without your reference. No. But if you want to be a man, stand on what you want. I hereby offer my platform. Any way you want it live on air or off air. But the video will be recorded with unedited. I'm not going to edit anything. So if you cough, don't expect me to remove it. I'm not going to remove it. I will upload it direct. Even if it is 2 hours video, I will upload it. All right. So the choice is yours. Don't say because of attack my dog. Nobody's going to attack you. Come on. We want to know the truth. See, this truth that you guys are, that thing that you saw that no other eyes could see. Please, respectfully, this is my WhatsApp number. My own is not to target you, but to ask you, because you said that engagement, look at your right up here. You said, instead of engaging with truth, that's all I want. This is what actually pushed me to even call you out and demand for this kind of engagement. I love it. You come, no attack, no, not even nothing, just gently. We talk about it, iron it out, spell it what it is, mention those areas, expose unexposable, call even team up with all everybody. You may listen. It's not the most you show your face, but I can guarantee you your voice is needed. Your voice is what I want. Your voice, your name. My name is Okeko Okafor. I am here to expose Dr. Ngozi Obieze and her cabinet members and arches, like you guys love to call. Your own is attack dog, okay? You expose everybody, and anybody expose and report. My own is to publish it the way you said it, so that people will now see what you are saying. Because if you know those viruses that you guys are championing, there's virus, there's something hidden. If you don't spell it out, it makes you a suspect. That means you are lying. But after watching this video, and I wait for you, today's date is 17th. Let's say at the end of this month, if I did not get any call, nothing, then I will not know officially that you guys are the betrayer, insubordination. You guys are filled of insubordination, disrespectful. You guys are saboteur. I even went as far as calling you criminals, because that's only a criminal. We frame up information against somebody to gain something. You get my point? So now you are not, or to prove otherwise by not contacting. Have to contact you, Obinna Uzoagan, and anybody that feel like, please come up and do that. It is time to say it the way it is. Don't shade back. Don't hide anything. Spell it out the way it is without holding back. Very, very important. I expect you to do that. Okay. So please do that. I want you to expose unexposable. Don't hide anything. But if you do, if you hide something, that makes you a criminal. That makes you a non-entity. That makes you a mad dog. That makes you a pig. Every bad thing I want to use it. Remember what I said? You have now till the end of this month. All right. Now, let's continue. He said, reposting an old article will not erase the fact that you have gone completely rogue. At this point, your only remaining weapon is to mobilize your alleged NIA connection, which I don't know what is NIA? NIA, I don't know. Since I was once carelessly, since I was once careless enough to share my personal contact and country of residence with you in good faith, go ahead, track me, send your agent send your agent, attempt to silence me. I am not afraid of you. Your enablers or your empty threats. The truth stand tall, and no amount of inspiration, defamation, or intimidation will bury it. Biafran will prevail, not through betrayal, but through unbreakable loyalty to principle and leadership. History is watching, conscience is recording, and no rogue actor will rewrite the story of this struggle by Mazi Vito Obinna Uzoagan Obinna. Now, all these things you said here, for you to start talking about tracking you, this one enablers, all this simply means you are afraid. You are just panicking for no reason. Fear of unknown is eating you up. You typical somebody that I know, let me know, because I don't want to scare you away from, right? So let me just hit back. But please, most of this thing you said here is like this last part. You're actually showing that you are afraid, even though you started by "I'm not afraid." The truth is that your write-up shows you are afraid, and I can tell you that you are afraid for nothing. You are just afraid of nothing, because I doubt, and I can assure you that nobody is after you. So all you need to do now, spend your time, avoid this thing you are this love, because I see this as a rough play. Avoid it. Begin to make sense like a man that people think you are. Begin to point things that matter. Their truth, list it out, and stop yapping like market women. You can frame anything you want to frame, because your last post you talked about how she was calling people, asking them, where are you? I was expecting you to actually by now mention people that she have arrested or she have sent to prison because of that previous call. Or you think that your write-up stopped such thing? If there's anything like that, you are kidding. Anyway, this is the end of the write-up.
This was a two-fight was going on. That is what I find out on my own observation. Watch what happened before. Ugo247 was fighting Ogenkere because Ogenkere, the money was giving him was too small. Like maybe he needed more. No, yeah, he come out. He say, "You think you can buy me? You think you can buy me? You give me." Or see whether he say he give him go loan. He might give him money to buy a laptop. He came out and say, "You think you can buy me?" I saw what he was doing when he was talking bad about Ogenkere. Now he wanted them to give him the major thing that make him fall out was he was expecting DPM to give him information minister. So unfortunately for him, they didn't give it to him. That is the genesis of everything. I know I'm not in the inner caucus, but I can see what is going on. That all this nonsense is power puzzle. So he's not getting the money that he was getting before. He don't have any post. So now he's mad to the T. Which make no sense, because all this nonsense, they see what they're doing. Because I called him, I spoke to him, I said, hey, everybody that is governing have a way they can govern. A sensible person, when someone govern and fail or it didn't go well, you have to learn from what that person is doing. Then you put your own wisdom that the God has given to you. Why are you people expecting this lady to do like other people have done? He works with PM. So PM was doing this with all his heart, believing that everybody is with him, not knowing that you people are looking a way to lynch him.
I'm telling you.
You know, Njo has said, what is really going